welcome back to Ems Chalked Up Treasures. My name is Emily, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit out of the norm, and that is flipping my boyfriend and I's front door of our house. My boyfriend and I have wanted to update our front door here for a while. We just didn't know whether or not we were going to buy a whole new door, or we were just going to go ahead and update it real quick by adding some paint to it and some new hardware. Well, we decided to go ahead and just paint and add some new hardware. It's a lot more budget friendly to do that than it is to buy a whole new door. My boyfriend and I have decided to use Beyond Paint. It acts as an all-in-one paint. I'm a huge fan of Furniture Flipping Teacher, and I watched several of her videos, and she actually used this when she refinished her parents' kitchen cabinets along with her parents' bathroom vanity, and I thought it left a really, really nice finish, and I thought what better way to use this paint on my boyfriend and I's front door right here. So first things first, my boyfriend and I are going to remove the door off the hinges here and take off the door hardware here, and then we're going to go ahead and clean it with a good all-purpose degreaser. So my boyfriend and I went ahead and took the door off of the hinges and removed the door hardware as well. Now we're going to go ahead and use Beyond here as an all-purpose degreaser to clean our door off before we go ahead and put our paint on. Now, like I mentioned earlier, with this paint, it acts as an all-in-one, so it's really nice. It's going to save us a lot of time. We don't have to go ahead and sand any of this down. Not that there really is anything to be sanded down, but we also don't have to do any priming either. So all we really have to do is clean this door off, and then we can go ahead and start applying our paint. We're going to go ahead and apply our first coat of our Beyond paint in the shade of Soft Gray. And finished painting my boyfriend and I's front door. We decided on some new matte black door hinges along with a matte black handle set. I love how this paint came out. I love the coverage it gives. It did describe as though it was a soft gray, and to me it kind of looks like it's more like a little blue tone to it. But other than that, we really like it. I think it goes well with all the decor that we have here going on in our home. So guys, come on and follow me outside. I'm going to show you how the front of our door turned out, and I also have a little surprise for you. So our entryway that I'm standing in right here, I've actually wanted to paint for quite some time. I do a lot of home renovations with my boyfriend in our new home, and I don't always get everything on film, so I wanted to take a second and show you guys what this entryway looked like before and what it looks like now. So here we go. So guys, here we are. This is the front of our front door, and it kind of really does look like that blue like I was saying earlier, but it was supposed to be, it was labeled as a soft gray paint color. But I love the way it turned out. I think the pop of color is exactly what we needed. As I said, it really goes with a lot of our decor. I had a lot of fun decorating out here. I got most of my decor from Hobby Lobby. That's where all my decor really honestly is from. I got this cute wreath there, this sweet home sign, some burlap. You can't really see it in the video too well, but I got a home sweet home sign, and I just had to have this willow sticker. I thought it was so cute. A lot of my inspiration comes from Pinterest when it comes to decorating, and I got this cute little plant from Hobby Lobby, the sign from Hobby Lobby, and our welcome to the porch sign over there. I don't know if you guys can see that in the film. And then I wrapped some cute burlap around our sign right here. But I love how it turned out. So I'm really excited because my next step to finish off this project, which was just originally the front door, and then I moved down here and started doing this whole entryway because I love projects. But I'm going to be ripping up the carpet that you guys saw in that little clip, and I'm going to be stenciling this entire entryway here. I found a really cool design that Maggie McGaw used for her home. I thought it looked absolutely lovely, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for my boyfriend and I's front entryway. And I will be sure to create a YouTube video for you guys to show you how I complete that project. I didn't just do our outside entryway of our home, I also did the inside entryway of our home. Just because the original way that I had laid out the entryway on the inside of the home, I just wasn't a huge fan of. I knew that I could do more with it. So I went ahead on Pinterest, got some more ideas, went over to Hobby Lobby and picked out some new fresh decor for the inside of our home. And I love how this turned out. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. Back to the door, guys. I am really struggling with what kind of decor I want to place over this ugly, hideous glass. Excuse me if any of you like it, but I'm just not a fan of it. I think it takes away from the whole upgrade. So I really need to do something to cover this up. So if any of you have maybe any recommendations for me as to what would look good here, I would really appreciate it if you leave it in the comments section below. I could really use the help. I did originally buy this cute little wicker basket with some eucalyptus and cotton, and I was gonna place that on the door here, but it just doesn't cover the window up enough for me. So like I said, if any of you have any recommendations, if you could leave them in the comment section below, I would greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and turn your post notifications on and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.